So guys, I'm here eating my Thai food, aka my last supper, because tomorrow I'm getting my wisdom teeth out. I'm going in at 9:45 tomorrow. So I thought I would just chronicle this journey because it's interesting, and as someone who's never had surgery before, never had to go to the hospital, never had anything, you know, serious medical procedure done, I'm just kind of curious how this whole thing plays out. So many of you guys have DM'd me and messaged me your stories, or I've been talking to a lot of friends, and everyone's experience is so different. My roommate Taylor is gonna come with me, and my dad, because she's gonna film it for me. She's so awesome, so thank you, Taylor, because I'm sure this is probably the last thing you want to do. Originally I thought I was only getting 2 out, which I was like chill with, and then I found out I'm getting all 4 out. So yeah, this is the real deal. I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully we'll get some good footage out of this. This could be interesting. T1 is here, my official videographer, and we're leaving in like 5 minutes. Guys, I'm scared. We're 6 minutes early.
Any final things you want to have? Tell us you want to eat.
I love you. If I don't make it, distribute my goods. Let's get this over with.
Here we go.
Good luck, Sim. Pray for fast recovery. Place your bets now what I'm gonna be like. Taylor bets I'm gonna have a touch of sass.
A touch of sass.
Wow. Are you taking care of that for her? Okay.
Tell them you want your teeth. Have fun with her.
Yeah. Right, we just got Kiara in the car.
I look weird.
You look cute. Are you still cold? Oh yeah, blanket's probably a good idea.
How do you feel, Kiara? Okay?
She said her tongue. She said her tongue was really numb. I don't know. They said that when we get home, we can take them and fold them and then put them back. But she said to keep them like that for the car ride until we get home. No, you're not. Not even remotely. Do you remember telling me you wanted to go shopping?
Yes, but I don't remember until he told me that he was staying away. It's so weird. I can't feel my body.
You can't feel it?
It's still there.
Your nociceptor is all blocked off.
Yeah. That's so weird.
Did they give you intravenous?
I don't remember.
Do you remember?
That's good. That's good that you don't remember.
It didn't hurt when they put it in. So normal, but they put it in right here.
They did put it in right there?
Yeah. My mouth tastes bad.
That's okay. Can I take a picture of you for Katie and Kylie? That was like the quickest surgery of all time.
How long?
Like maybe 20 minutes.
Huh. I'm sitting right there. I can't talk.
She said that we can take the gauze and then fold it up when we get home.
Can we cut it?
Well, do you have scissors? Oh, don't do that.
Oh, don't pull it out.
Don't pull it out.
Oh, it's scissors. Daddy!
It's part of the look.
You're lessing me. You cut it. It's so weird. I can't feel my face. Daddy!
What, sweetheart?
Scissors.
You want me to drive safely, right?
No.
Don't want him to drive safely.
Scissors.
I don't have scissors in here. You have to go home and I'll get them, though. I have lots of pairs at home.
You didn't bring the scissors?
Do you have scissors in your purse?
No. They gave me a gift card.
I want a milkshake.
They one to me.
They gave you a Burgerville gift card to go buy you a milkshake.
I like that.
What flavor would you want? Get a chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry?
There's more options.
I don't know.
Oreo.
Season.
So weird. Like toilet paper in my mouth.
But don't pull it out too much.
I'm not bleeding.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, what?
That's normal.
You don't have a knife?
Knife?
We're almost home.
Knife near your face.
But you have a knife of it.
But it doesn't have scissors on it.
Yeah, it does.
Swiss Army knives have scissors. My Leatherman doesn't. Remember I had them just rebuild the old one?
Don't rip it.
Oh,
No, don't do that. Here, stop. No, it's okay. Just put it in like you put in the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Pretend you're like...
Perfect.
It's supposed to be smaller.
Yeah.
Your dad's doctor.
Send a picture of mommy. I take a picture of you.
I don't care about her.
Oh, we're gonna have to cut that one out of here.
I can't feel my face.
It's like a song.
Like you have a
I
Gumby
can
face,
feel my
rubber face.
face.
Oh,
Can you sing a little song, Kiara?
She's singing I Can't Feel My Face.
I don't know. I love it. They didn't let them come in.
No. I also wasn't allowed to record you when we first came in.
That's not allowed.
Any fun dreams while you were in there?
No.
Was the nurse nice, Kiara? Everybody nice?
So much in here.
I know, you're just supposed to have it there for just the car ride home, and then we'll change it. I don't think it's supposed to be cute. Yeah, you have your teeth.
Where?
Doug has them in the bag.
No, I want.
Are you gonna drop them on the floor?
No, I'm not. I'm making an ugly bag. The tooth fairy gonna come. That's my tooth.
That's your tooth. She said that it was brown from antibiotics you might have taken when you were younger.
Oh.
Because they're stuck still inside your gums, so it just gets absorbed into the system. But
Whoa.
yeah.
Is it bigger than you thought or smaller than you
I took antibiotics for 3 years. That's
Yeah,
why
look
I'm
at that.
done.
Yeah.
Put it back.
No, don't do that. That might not be the greatest idea.
It's been a while.
Is it happening?
I don't think so.
I can't talk.
Don't take it out. I think the lady said she only put 3 of them in there because there was one that they had to break into a lot of pieces.
Oh.
But like, look, those are pretty whole. They did a really good job.
I told her I wanted them.
Oh look, you got them.
I got 3 of them.
Yeah.
They told me the only one. Oh. Whoa. Oh, that's bad.
That's not bad. You weren't able to brush those teeth.
What was your favorite? That one.
That one's pretty cool. I think maybe that one's my favorite.
This one's here.
You can make a necklace out of it.
Yeah, how can you brush them out and make them pretty? I get $5 per tooth.
Tooth Fairy's gonna come by.
What's it? Oh.
Found it?
Yeah. My favorite one.
Do you know where we are right now?
Kiara.
Kiara, I will give you $5 if you remember this phrase I'm gonna say.
Okay.
Ready? You have to remember this. In a couple of hours, you have to remember that pandas like jumping pickles.
Oh, favorite one. Jumping pickle.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do it? You sure? Okay. Then at like 2 o'clock today, I'll ask you. Hey, Kiara.
Pandas like jumping pickles. My phone.
Do you want your phone?
Yeah. I'm crazy. My phone made stuff. Oh, take that. Oh, I'm so ugly.
You're not ugly.
I'm not gonna cry. Oh. That hurt.
Hello.
I can't feel this part at all.
You can't feel your mouth? Wow, you don't even look puffy.
I'm perfect. How did I get out of that place?
You don't remember how you got out?
Nice lady walked
Yeah,
out.
you walked out. Do you remember the phrase?
What? Penguin. Penguin play. I can't take this out. I'm not bleeding.
Yeah, you are.
I will be bleeding.
No, I'm not. I don't taste it.
Well, you don't taste it because the cotton's in there, so it's absorbing it.
They gave me a gift card
What kind of gift card?
to Barberville. How much is it for?
I don't know, probably like $5.
It's for $5. Only $5? That's nice.
Said that you have until like probably 1:30 until you start feeling things again.
Oh gosh. I want to see my tooth. Look at it.
Ew, Kiara.
That's my tooth. It is there.
That is cute.
This is number 1. This is number 2. And this is number 3. This is my wisdom. I can put it somewhere.
Like with all your teeth on it.
And I wear it to anatomy.
That's what you can do for merch. You can.
I didn't cry at all.
I'm really surprised you're not crying right now.
I'm fine. But my mouth, I can't feel it. But I can't tell if this is my tongue or this is my tongue.
Nah, that was your lip.
Oh. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah, we are.
Did you go shopping?
We already went shopping quite a bit.
Can I see a home? Am I gonna look like a chipmunk?
No, don't hit yourself. want to go shopping. That was the first thing she said to me when I walked in. Do you feel that?
I'm in a weird way. My Meissner's corpuscles don't feel it.
Your Meissner's corpuscles don't feel it.
Only the 3 years I use. I'm home already, I'm so fast. I don't remember being on the freeway.
You remember the phrase?
I do not remember the phrase. Abercrombie, apples.
No.
And pears.
We made it home.
I bought chopsticks. It's in that drawer.
Sun bomb?
No, the stuff in the container. Yes, that Taylor knows. Put it on my lip gloss. My lips are so big. Or not, I don't know.
They're not big. Look. Look at how little they are.
Huh. That was so weird. He was like, yeah, you're just gonna casually go out or whatever. I was like, okay, watch me not. Like, I'm just gonna chill here. Like, oh yeah, just doze off to sleep or whatever. I was like, I'm not about to go to sleep right now. But then I did. And then you were there. We're watching a movie.
Updates you want to give?
I still can't feel my face. We have now had our food. Well, I'm about to have my food. I still cannot feel my mouth. Sorry, this is really gross. Man, my tongue is so big.
Yep, there we go.
Alright, I thought I would film a vlog update. I still cannot feel this chunk of my mouth and I can't feel my tongue, so it's super weird, but I can feel over here. I'm watching movies. Taylor just left and went home. I'm texting my friend Catherine, who just got hers out today too, so it's kind of funny. I don't know, it's not as bad as I thought, but I'm like, is it gonna just kill me tomorrow? I don't know. It's day 2. I just thought I would end the vlog here because I think I have plenty of footage. I'm not in like an unbearable amount of pain, but I'm like really determined not to take the Norco, which is the like opioid or whatever. If I can like deal with Advil, why not? This side definitely hurts more than this side and I don't know why. So last night I just slept on this side. I'm probably gonna edit this video because I'm bored, honestly. I was texting my mom and I was like, I just want to hang out with you because I'm bored and all my friends are gone right now. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys either have gotten your wisdom teeth out or are going to or are nervous or whatever, make a little form of questions down below and I'll try to answer like based off of my experience or give you comfort. The holes in the back of my mouth are really, really big. I'm pretty limited on what I can eat, which is annoying. My dad made me like a really bomb smoothie though. Leave me a comment so I can reply back to you guys because that's literally all I've been doing. But that's all for today.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. My best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk.